Okay, how to price a Azkoyen Pama. Open up. Grab the little remote control. Press the letter C quickly. On the display it'll say empty. So use the letter A to flick through until you get prices 201. Okay, so press the D button then and it'll come up saying selections. So bang in your selection that you want to change the price on. So we will go the A. The A now is 130. So if you press the C button, it's pounds. Press the B button, units and 10, and the A button is tens. So that's the A button there, flicking through, so we turn that to 0. And the B button, 140. So you have 140 for DA, and then to save it, just press the coin return button and it goes back. For the direct vending items, so just press one of the buttons and it'll come up saying selection 2. Same thing, take the remote, press A, you'll go to 0, press A again, €1, and press the B button and you can bring it up to 170. Same thing, press the coin return button, save, then it asks you for the next selection. On the older machines, if it didn't have an electronic reject button, that button inside, you press that to save it. So you just go down D back to the main program and then C to initialize. Machine goes down and then you can go and just check your prices. DC. Okay, thank you.